Alright guys, so we are staying at the pool villa in the Cinnamon Valley Fushi. I have to give you a room tour. It's insane, it's crazy, it's more than we expected. So come in. So first, as you come in, you have a little common area. You have some couches. You have, what's crazy, there is an air conditioner just for this area, which I thought was crazy. So there's some couches right there. And then if you want to show them, this is the entrance to the room. So we have our Bose speaker right here. If you want to come this way, we got some towels here for the pool. We put everything away just so we can enjoy the villa to its fullest. So if you want to come this way, this is our huge bed right here. If you want to come over here, we have this, I arranged my things right there so they look organized. Those are Jocelyn's things right there. And then you can come up here. We have a walk-in closet, so this is another set of doors that you can close if I don't want to see you anymore. If I want to see you, you can come here. This is a walk-in closet. So we have our ironing table right here. You come in here. We put our clothes away. We have this huge mirror. It's really cool. I put my hats right there. So now we're going to show you the best part. So if you turn around here, you can actually exit to the outside of the little deck from right here, but it's not the same. And this is our huge deck with our private pool. We have a hammock right here. I don't know what that is for, but it's cool. We put some clothes out here, so excuse me for the mess because we needed to dry it out. But we have the hammock here. We have our steps down to the ocean. So we have the day beds over there and a little dining set, and that's it, guys. We have finished having our breakfast. We were trying to see if we would use the other restaurant, which is a la carte, and it has a charge. It's not part of the all inclusive. It's actually $160 per person, so that'll be $320 for us, and it's a 7-course meal, so it's a lot of food. And honestly, I don't think we're gonna finish it. And for the price, so I don't know. I don't think we're gonna do it. And then we were looking at the floating breakfast. That's $250 per couple. Per couple, so that'll be $250 for both of us. And it's a floating breakfast on our private pool, and then we'll give us a bottle of Moet champagne. So we may do that. We're still thinking about it. Right now, we're just gonna go to our villa and hang out by the pool. Oh, yesterday we did the jet ski. That was $364, I believe. That's including tax. I think it was $299 plus tax. I think it was $364 or $367. And it was for 2 hours. And we went and visited a sandbank. And we were trying to do dolphin watching, but the dolphins didn't want to come out. They didn't show up. So again, that was $364 for 2 hours. For one jet ski. Yeah, it was really cool. Between the two of us, the sandbank was beautiful. We took some pictures and some video that you guys will probably see. And what else have we paid for?
There, that's it.
we finally got our floating breakfast, and now we're eating it because we're hungry.
We're really hungry.
Hopefully you guys like what we filmed.
Oh my goodness, it's good. Te falta una salsita. Oh, and then forget the milk.
They did forget the milk for the
Cereal.
cereal, but no problem. To be honest, it's way too much food, anyways. So, all good. Get your French toast with Nutella. Alright guys, we're going back to our table. I got a lot of I don't know, I got some mushroom masala, I got some local dishes, some Indian food, some curry.
I got some fries.
I'm in the mood to try new stuff. I got some pad thai, so I'm excited for this actually. Let's start with the risotto. Mushroom risotto. Oh, bueno.
Yeah?
The risotto is good. I already tried the beef and the pad thai, that's why I got some, because I like it. I don't know what this is. This is some type of curry. It smells really strong. Let's try it. I'm a little nervous. Huh?
I know. I've been nervous too.
I like that one.
Really?
It's very different, but it's really good. It's got a lot of spices. It's a little hot. Like spicy. But it's this one. Hey guys, we just filmed a little bit of the sunset. We've been hanging out in our villa all day. Jocelyn took a nap.
I did?
And I was just hanging out on my phone, yes. Remember?
15 minutes?
It was about 20-30 minutes. And then we are on our way to the bar to get a few drinks before dinner time. Jocelyn says she's struggling. I don't know what she's struggling with, but...
It's good. Everything.
Life is complicated in the Maldives.
Life is complicated in the Maldives. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks so cool. Well, me too.
Espérate, ¿por qué no se ve así?
Oh my goodness, look. What? Don't take my hair. Look.
Motherfuckers.
So beautiful. Motherfuckers.